This is the introduction gallery of the Orissa State Maritime Museum. This building is an ancient workshop established in 1869. There is a great history behind this workshop. In 1866, under British government, there is a great famine in Odisha, and 2 lakhs people were died due to the starvation. And there is a reports also predation that man eats man. Then after the government decided to develop the irrigation facility in the state of Bengal, Bihar and Odisha. There is one province that is, and for supplying the accessories to the irrigation project, this workshop was established under the Mr.G.H.Faulkner and the Scottish Engineer who was in charge of the museum, the workshop. This is the foundation flag of the museum. Mr. G.H.Faulkner, January 1869, it was established. Then it ran up to 1970. After 70, it was closed. Then in 2007, it is decided by our CM to convert this building to a museum. And this dilapidated building, the process of renovation, and in 2013, it is open for the public as a museum. So, also manufactured and all the places coming to Chennai, Bombay, Calcutta, Cuttack. They are also maintained here, and there is a jetty, dried up jetty.
So one of my interests is shipbuilding. So I'm just trying to look at, but these are more modern and pre-modern. Very old.
Jobra Workshop.
Sir, National Museum में या तो पूरा दिन से पैसा
Literature, some kind of booklet about the museum, which is all that.
the region of like published and brochures.
Because that's textbook will you.
No, no. All that. Maritime history gallery. The India's maritime history is traced to the excavated dockyards for the Lothar, the pre-Vedic Indus Valley peoples, and this first man-made dry dock in the world. And we are preparing a conjectural drawings of the Lothal city, and the dry dock is connected to the coast river. And the outlet was arranged for drying the docks, for maintaining the ships and the docks also. And you have the city of the artisans, lower town, and we will go warehouse. This is the traditional route charts, maritime trades of Orissa coast. The ancient Kalinga is from totally covering to the Bengal up to river Krishna. Now, this small powder known as the modern Odisha. The famous port Tamralipti was here.
Okay.
During the invade of Ashoka, then the port was activated, it is known as Tamralipti.
So that is the present West Bengal.
Now it is in Bengal.
Bengal, okay.
But in that day it is under Kalinga. And Tamralipti is the famous port of the Kalinga. And the second port, Pallu, is just near the east of the Chilka lakes.
Okay.
This famous ancient port playing the major role and dominating in the Southeast Asian countries with their trades. Bengal known as Kalinga Sagara before prior to the arrival of the British to the India. And this is the trade routes. They are avoiding the tornado zones.
Yeah.
And they coming to the Malacca
Yeah.
and up to
Wow.
and up to North Korea.
North Korea.
And
Wow.
Formosa.
Japan was never touched. Japan was never covered. Never.
But recently we found the wares, black dubbed wares
Okay.
in Japan also.
Which place in Japan?
I don't know particular place. but in diffusion of the pottery maps was being the Japan.
Korea in northern part or southern part? Korean Peninsula. Northern. But if it is in north, it's not that easy to get anything because it is a very close country. No information can be available.
It is under the dominance of the Dutch people. And there is a settlement between the British and Dutch. And Dutch released it is shifted, switched to the Britishers. And Britishers gives in exchange of the Manhattan in the USA to the Dutch people. And it is the exchange with the agreement.
I share that story often. More, but because
What's the name of the island?
See, just
no,
islands,
this
but
island
spice.
is it's an island of spice.
Okay.
Because when the Anglo-French wars of the 19th century are the changing wars of the colonial period. So to them, the new colony in US was more crucial and they afforded to give this up. This was not the only off. Even Pondicherry and Madras had exchanged hands and they re-traded after that. So in the India-Pakistan war and tradings, they're not the only one. In after war, sometimes you give back to gain some other benefit.
And there is a piece of Roman Ampora, trade relations with Rome and Indonesian coast. And with China is a glass Celadons and Ceilings.
Now
They are manufactured till Yoda and also selling in Valley. It is a unit of measure. Great.
Okay. আমার কি কোন সেরো সেরো কোন দিকে ওটা ছোট কোট মানো ছোট কো মানো কোন তো বড় কো সেরো কোন না এইটা বদল মানো মানো কোন আচ্ছা সো সেট নেম কো সেল this what I
Exchange of one gold coin, that is 20,480 cells.
अच्छा
It is so lesser denomination and it indicates the trade was profuse in lesser scale, the larger scale also. So this is the cell, it is used as currency in Odisha.
Yes, I will. Not Orissa, in India. The Footy Kodi. So that is Kaudi.
okay.
And you also have the Damdi, the leather point, leather things. Even that was a unit of currency, small bits of leather. So leather, Kaudi, and only higher it came to Anna. Or
Anna.
In Odisha, in the exchange of one gold coin, it is 20,480 cell. It is so lesser denomination.
Yes. There are enough articles on currency related to this.
Excavated photographs with the static and Manikpattai famous fort है कोणार्क के पास में.
Which is the one which is related to Bali Yatra? There are some of the coins, numismatic evidence of the coin with Bali.
And Bali means bronze sculpture was found also with the forest script potsherds.
Okay. Because Sila Tripathi's papers talk about the numismatic evidence and
The Chinese coins also. So this is photographs of
ये तो Roman है. There are coins with those are
Cuttack coin है, Ceylonese coin है, Chinese है, बहुत सारे coin है. And this famous monastery and the university of Ratnagiri plays the major role for spreading Buddhism in the rest of Southeast Asia. And a new form of Buddhism like the Vajrayana Buddhism was flourished and starting from here. This is the famous Ratnagiri monastery. This is the image of First Mahanadi. There is a concept of worshipping this deity. You can say from the Cyprus.
okay.
This is the tunnel from Chandabali near the Kendigode fort, the broken temple. They are exhibiting the elephant trade. The ships are so huge to carry number of elephants for the trade purpose because the elephant are the more demanding items in that anti-trade for the Kalinga coast. This This panel from Konak Temple, we are exhibiting the traders like gifting
Giraffe.
trade gift. The giraffe, the African animal, it's a present as a trade gift before the kings of Odisha.
I think
If it's up to 13th century, our trade was live with the African continent.
इधर देखिए you are watching no इंग्लिश इंग्लिश हिंदी हिंदी हम बोले
जिराफ का जो गिफ्ट है इसका मतलब भारत का जो समुद्री संबंध अफ्रीका के साथ था वहां से ये उसको भेज दिया गया.
Then in some of the ships also in Africa
There is one again.
And trade is live up to 13th century. And up to 19th century, trade was also live.
is was there any ivory trade also trade in ivory item ivory
Live is a very
Not-
trade item.
oh really
In ivory, gems, and this is the treasure house of the gems. Arthashastra describes the gems of the Calcutta. And in Calcutta's text, our Kumar Sambhava, that the following kings known as Mahodadhipati, the lords of the ocean. And they are not only dominating with the trade, but also in the naval power. And in some texts, the canonical text was developed in shipbuilding. The famous Lokshilpa, Ratnakar Bihar, and Ornav Bihar. The three texts are available in Odisha to describe about how to build the warships and trade ships, river going vessel, and sea going vessels, everything.
so
This is the dance is difference, similarity, but there is a difference in drapery.
I think that's what is coming out. The adornments or the directions, there are features which are very different. Artist will probably describe that. I mean, straight is they're more straight, the pointed arrows are more curved, if all of them. And that also there will be a factor. Maybe the inspirational component will be different, while the story is similar.
Subjective.
Yeah,
It's,
it's
it's
again.
a subject to the imagination of
So
the art.
imagination always has its anchor in some real environment.
There are large ships, warships, and the trade ships, and this river going and sea going vessels. And we are exhibiting through the diorama the different stages of producing a ship, and it's a model in center.
in Japan also I saw a museum exactly the same and they actually not ocean trade within Japan from river how the river was used to transport rice from one corner to another corner through sea. So that kind of stages of how they used to make this big boat.
And, there are four mast ship. This ship was carrying the four masts, single and four masts. And this ship was eligible to carrying 200 passengers in that in that age.
Apart from the goods.
And this ship can carry a number of elephants for the type purpose. And they can collect the horses from the Arabs. The farmers' assets.